Hello guys, update tayo sa ating SISIW na nag-hatch noong October 2 at saka October 6 natin. So guys, yung brooder box natin. Hatch date October 2 2020. Ito na sila. 5 days na nila guys. Ayan. Day 5. Black Astrolorp, the Rhode Island Red, and the Sussex. Hello guys. October 6 D1 na nila. Ayan guys. Ayan. The Black Astrolorp, the Rhode Island Red. Ito. Rhode Island Red. And the Sussex. Tayo na isa at yun pang tatlo, isang Sussex at Black Astrolorps guys. And Sussex din to. Yan guys, na-update na natin yung SISIW natin at saka yung egg natin sa incubator. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update mo sa aking mga video. Thank you for watching.